Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to solve a CloudFoxable challenge. Here I have taken the exploiting the public facing applications. The lab is called FURL-1. So it means function URL, and the goal is to discovering a misconfigured Lambda Function URL, and we need to grab the flag. And in the last video we have seen like how to configure our AWS CLI for this CloudFoxable, and we have solved the other lab. In today's video I'll directly jump into the challenge. Alright, so here I have opened my terminal, and I'm just typing the command which is going to list out all the Lambda function from this CloudFoxable profile. It will take some time to extract all the Lambda functions, so let's wait and see what it will show. I think it's listing all the Lambda function including the one from other lab. I think since the challenge already told us the function name, which is function URL1 or something, so I think I don't need to scroll through all the JSON output. Instead I'll directly pass the function name which I have seen on that challenge, what we are doing right now. Next I just want to check if this Lambda has a function URL attached or not. So for that I just need to run some command by passing the functional name. So I'm just typing the command. I think it will take some time to fetch all the data, so let's wait. And here we got the output. So here this JSON data contains like a function URL, and even I have seen like authentication type set to none. That means it's publicly accessible without any authentication. Basically anyone with this link can call the function. Let's test this by curling the URL so we can see what happened. So I'm just typing curl and pasting the URL which we retrieved from the function. It's responded with the flag. Yeah, I think that's it. We have solved the challenge. I'm just copying the flag and paste it on the challenge. Just saying like we have solved the lab, so that's it. So we just pull the flag straight from the Lambda function without any key token or no authentication at all. So let's talk about the real world impact. So now imagine like this happening outside the CTF. So in real world, a public Lambda function URL like this can be abused in multiple ways. Like attacker could trigger it endlessly by driving up AWS cost, and they can access or exfiltrate sensitive data from S3 or dynamic DB, or even use it for things like crypto mining. So it isn't just a lab exercise. This misconfiguration is a real security risk. So now let's talk about the mitigation part. The fix is simple. Like developer or whoever managing the AWS console, they never leave the function URL authentication set to none unless you explicitly need it public. And the safer option is set it to AWS IAM, which requires authenticated user. Also you can apply resources policy to restrict access and keep an eye on CloudTrail logs to catch any unusual activities. So these Lambda functions are convenient, but leaving them open without any authentication is like leaving your house door wide open. So that's it for this lab. And so in the next video we'll move on to the next CloudFoxable challenge and keep sharpening our AWS pen testing skills. And if this was really helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.